Hi students, welcome back to video classes. In the previous video, we learned about the decimal numbers. So, the expanded form of decimal numbers and comparison of decimal numbers. Now, in this class, we learn how to convert the lower unit into higher unit. While converting lower unit into higher unit, so we use decimals. For example, 5 paisa. Suppose 5 paisa is equal to, say, how many rupees are there? That means in rupees, 5 paisa is equal to how many rupees? Means to convert the lower unit into higher unit, we must divide. Why? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. We know that. 1 rupee. Therefore, you divide this 5 by 100. You divide this 5 by 100. That means 5 paisa is equal to 5 by 100 rupees, which is equal to, while dividing the number by 10, 100,000, etc., etc. So we know that we should the decimal point in the coefficient to the left as many places as there are zeros over 1. Here over 1, how many zeros are there? 2. So shift the decimal point. So here 5 is there. So 5. Count 2 digits from the right side. 1, there is no digit, put 0. 2, so here 2 zeros are there. Count 2 digits. 1, 2, put decimal point. So that means 0.05 rupees or rupees 0.05. So like that, suppose 45 paisa is there. 45 paisa is equal to dash rupees. So similarly, 45 by, so divide by 100 and put rupees. So 45 paisa is equal to 45 by 100 rupees, which is equal to, so write the numerator as this. So in denominator 2 zeros are there. So count 2 digits from the right hand side. Immediately you put 1 decimal point, 2 zeros, count 2 digits, 1, 2, put point. So 0 point, therefore 45 paisa is equal to 0.45 rupees. So suppose this is conversion of money. Now suppose if it is the weight, so for example 15 weight, so this is weight, 15 grams is equal to dash kgs. So in 15 grams, how many kgs are there? So similarly, you divide this 15. What is the relation between grams and kg? As we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Therefore, to convert the lower to higher, you must divide the given grams by 1000, put kgs, which is equal to, write the numerator as it is. In denominator, how many zeros are there? 3. Count 3 digits. 1, 2 only there. So you put as many zeros as you want. So 0, 0, 1, 5 are 1, 5. So there is no change in value. So count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Put immediately 1 decimal point. So 0.015 kilograms. Therefore, 15 grams is equal to 0.015 kgs. So like that, suppose we concern the length. Suppose say 75 centimeters. In 75 centimeters, how many meters are there? So what is the relation between meters and centimeters? 100 centimeters is equal to how many meters? 1 meter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100. Therefore, to convert the lower to higher, you must divide 75 by 100 put meters, which is equal to, write the numerator on count two digit zeros because two zeros are there. 1, 2, put point. So 0.75 meters. Therefore, 75 centimeters is equal to 0.75 meters. So also we have learnt about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers in the previous class, that is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So already you learned in 6th class. Let me explain again. For example, tell me two decimal numbers. So for example, add 45.36 plus, say one more, 27.45. While adding the decimal numbers or subtracting the decimal numbers, you should write the decimal point under the decimal point. Under the decimal point under decimal point, so that we can get the correct places. So now addition is as usual. So that means you add the decimal numbers just like as whole numbers. So 6 plus, ignore the decimal point, so add them as whole numbers. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 is there, write 1 on top of 10th place. So 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, how much? 4 plus 4 is 8. Put point. Now 5 plus 7, 12. 2, 1 is there, right on top of 10th place. Now 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7. Therefore 45.36 plus 27.45 is equal to 72.81. So this is the addition. For example, this is the addition. Now in subtraction, suppose subtract, say, already you learned, this is also subtract, say 36.47 from say 54.92. So subtract this decimal number 36.47 from 54.92 means should write the first 54.92 minus point under point, don't forget. So 36.47. So this is also, subtract them as whole numbers, ignore the decimal point. 2 minus 7 not possible, borrow 1 from this place. So 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. So this is not 9, 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Put point. 4 minus 6, how much? 4 minus 6 is not possible, borrow 1 from this one. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. And here 4 is there. 4 minus 3, 1. Therefore 18.45. Now let us start the exercise 2.5. We will do some problems. Which is greater? Which is greater means comparison. So just to compare here the given. So first one is, say, take first one 0.5 and this is 0.05. Which is greater means when you compare the decimal numbers, what is the rule we follow? First you compare the digits in the left of the decimal point. Here the left of the decimal point is whole part. In whole part, what are the digits we have? 0 and 0. Both are same. So we cannot compare. Now you compare the digits in the decimal part. So this is the decimal part. This is the decimal part. In decimal part, first you compare the digits in the tenths place. In the tenths place. What is the digit in tenths place? Here 5. Here 0. 5 is greater than 0 or less than 0? 5 is greater than 0. Therefore, 0.5 is greater than 0.05. So like that we compare. So take the second one. This is second one. 0.7, 0.5. So here also same. We follow the same rule. Compare the digits in the whole part. In whole part we will have same value, zeros, no value. So compare the digits in the tenths place. Here 7, here 5. So 7 is greater than 5. So 7 is greater than 5 means therefore 0.7 is greater than 0.5. So like that we compare. So third one. So try yourself. This is HW. Let me do fourth one. What is the fourth one? 1.37. So fourth one. Third one is same as this one. 1.37 and this is 1.49. Here what are the digits in whole part? 1. 1 is equal to 1. We cannot say which one is the greater. So equal values. Now compare the digits in the tenths place. That is in decimal part. The first place is tenths place. So here 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 is greater than 4 or less than 4? Less than 4. Therefore 1.37 is less than 1.49. That's all. Shall I do one more? So 2.03, 2.30. So this is same as this one. This is also HW to you. Now let me do sixth one. So 0.8, 0.88. So compare the digits in the whole part. So 0, 0, no value. Now compare the digits in the tenths place. Here 8 is equal to 8. We cannot say which one is the greater. Now compare the digits in the hundredths place. Here the digit in hundredths place is 8. And here what is the digit in hundredths place? Nothing is there. So you can put as many zeros as you want. Why? Because so there is no value for this 0. So 0.8, 0.8 or 0.80 both are same, or we can put 0.8800. So here the value is 0.8 only. So therefore here 8 is equal to 8. The digit in tenths place is same. Now you compare the digits in the hundredths place. Here 0 and here 8. Therefore 0 is less than 8. Therefore 0.8 is less than 0.88. Here which one is greater? So here 5 is 0.5 is greater one. So you should write it as answer is 0.5 is greater one. So like that you write. So here 0.7 is greater. So here 1.37 is less than 1.47 means so this is the less value. So this is the more value. Therefore 1.49 is greater one. So like that here 0.8 is less than 0.88 means therefore 0.88 is greater one. So greater 1. So like that we can find the greater value. So come to the second problem. Express as rupees using decimals. Already I explained you how to convert the lower value to higher value. Lower value to higher value. Here the first one is 7 paisa. 7 paisa. While converting the lower unit to higher unit, we use decimals. We use decimals. Therefore, to convert the paisa into rupees, what we will do? We must divide by 10 or 100. 100. Why? Because 1 rupee. In 1 rupee, how many paisa are there? 100 paisa. If you divide it by 100, we will get into the rupees. So, therefore, 7 paisa is equal to rupees 7 by 100, which is equal to 0.07 rupees. Why? Because so 7 by 100 is equal to, means write the numerator as easily. So in denominator 2 zeros are there. Count 2 digits from the right hand side. 1. So other digit is not there. You put 0. 0, 7 or 7, both are same. Now count digits 1, 2, put point. Therefore 0.07 rupees. So 0.07 rupees. Now next one is, second one. So this is first one. So second one is 7 rupees 7 paisa. So convert into the rupees. To convert the given number into the rupees, the unit should be same. Here rupees and paisa are there. So convert into the paisa. 7 rupees is equal to how many paisa? To convert, as we know that lower to higher, we must divide. Higher to lower, we must multiply. 7 into 100. 7 into 100. Why? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Instead of rupee, you write 100 paisa. 7 into 100, 700 paisa. So instead of 7 rupees, you write 700 paisa. So that means we are converting this rupees into paisa. 700 paisa plus 7 paisa, which is equal to 707 paisa. Therefore, 707 paisa is equal to dash rupees. So, which is equal to 707 paisa. Now, you convert the lower to higher. We must divide 707 by 100. So, which is equal to, write the numerator as it is 707. So, here in denominator, how many zeros are there? Count 2 digits from the right hand side. Why? Because 2 zeros. 1, 2, put point. So, therefore, 7 rupees 70 paisa, 7 rupees 7 paisa is equal to 7.07 rupees. So, like that we can do. Now, we can do the same problem as 7 rupees, say, so another one is, so 7 rupees 7 paisa. So here we are converting rupees into paisa. Now here we will convert paisa into rupees. So 7 rupees means rupees 7.00 rupees plus 7 paisa means, as we know that 7 paisa means 7 by 100 rupees, which is equal to how much? 0.07 rupees. So 7 paisa is equal to how much? 0.07 rupees. Now add it, addition of decimal numbers. We know that. So 7.00 plus 0.07. Therefore, which is equal to 0 plus 77, 0 plus 7. So which is equal to 7 point. So we'll get the same answer. Now next. So do fourth one HW, and fifth one is 235 paisa. Fifth one is 235 paisa. 235 paisa is equal to how many rupees? So 235 by 100, divide it. So which is equal to, that means write the numerator 235. So denominator 2 zeros, count 2 digits from the right hand side, 1, 2. Immediately you put 1 decimal point, that's all. That means 2.35 rupees. So like that can convert. Okay students, we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class.